Yesterday morning I was 550 kilometers far away in Hamburg to try and get my hands on some of the new H&M Mugler collection. It was really hard and it's a huge bag, so I'm going to tell you a bit about my experience and try everything on because I haven't tried anything on yet. That bag is not handy because it's way too big, so I got 5 pieces, including these beautiful hangers, and I'm starting with the dress to get changed. I love it! I mean, look at the arms, they look like a really comfy sweater, it is so long. And it looks comfy and it just fits really good. Okay, so what happened? The collection launched on Thursday, 10 o'clock online. And in the stores at 9 o'clock, and I didn't go to Hamburg just to buy the stuff. I was there on a work thing. But I realized, hey, I'm in Hamburg when the stores open and maybe I can try and buy it in store because you know how it is online. It's going to be crazy, the sites are going to be down and who knows what I'll get. And here's the time schedule. Store opened at 9 o'clock and my train was leaving at 10:20 a.m. So I was like, okay, I arrived at the store 30 minutes earlier, so at 8:30, and there was already a line, and I was like, okay, I expected that. It was okay, and they were really friendly. All the staff was outside, they handed out coffee, macarons and Ingwer shots to keep the waiting people happy. And they handed out wristlets, colored wristlets. And let's see what that is all about, but before that, I'm going to try on the next outfit and give you a better look at this one. Oh, by the way, I think I could have opted for extra small. This is size small, but I wasn't really sure because on the hanger, extra small just looks so extra small. So I was like, better safe than sorry. Next up is a swimsuit, and yes, I left my pantyhose and panties on because there's not much going on on the backside. Oh, there's still tag. And also I bought a skirt to go with it. So this is size extra small. It wasn't available in size small anymore. And yeah, I was standing in front of the store and they handed out the wristlets. And they had different time slots where you could go into the area with the Mugler designs, and I was in the 3rd time slot. I was able to go in there in theory from 9:45 till 10. And then I had like 20 minutes to get to the train station and to get to my train. It was a tight schedule, but I somehow managed, and now I'm going to put on the skirt. The skirt is a kind of wraparound style and it works so well together with the swimsuit as a top, so that's basically the aim I had for the swimsuit as well. And I was a bit confused because I pulled the fabric out of the buckle here. I think it was not a good idea. I know, you have to check it out after the video again. So I got into the store and got in line again because in the store there was a line for the different groups to enter the area. The first group was already inside, the second group was waiting. I was lucky to be like in the first few people for the 3rd group. And then I watched the staff refill the hangers and refill everything. So I was like, okay, it's going to be good. Then the second group went in, and after they were done, I realized, okay, they're not stocking up on everything again. Bodysuits were already gone, catsuits were already gone. A lot of sizes, for example, from another dress were apparently out of stock because there were only 3 dresses left and stuff like that. So I was like, damn, if I would have been 10 minutes earlier, maybe I would have gotten into the second group. But yeah, I watched them go in and was like waiting in line for my turn, which was really exciting because they had security and all the staff was wearing t-shirts and glitter on their face, so it was really a whole experience. And then it was time, 10:45, and I'm going to change outfit again. This dress was one of my must-haves, so when I was waiting outside of the designer area, I already saw there are only 3 of these dresses hanging there. So when the gates opened, I kind of ran inside, grabbed 2 of the dresses, grabbed also the swimsuit, and then headed over to the dresses here and saw that there was no small, there was no extra small, there was only size medium left. This is size medium and I'm not entirely happy with it because of course it could have been tighter, but also I'm not sure how to style it here. It's a bit too wide here and the bulk of the fabric is pulling everything down, so it looks kind of a bit undone. I don't know. But I kind of love every other part. The see-through part here, the neck part, and the one arm with the gloves. This looks weird. Sorry. Maybe I can change it to size small online. Because I saw that there's like a whole market of Mugler H&M going on. Black market with prices, oof, out of the roof. I'm really sad that I didn't get it in my size. Super sad. But as I said, they didn't even restock the catsuits and the bodysuit, which were also on my list, so I'm glad I did manage to get these items. And you clearly saw in the store that people were after bodysuits and catsuits and the basic t-shirts, because all of the jeans couture and yeah, all of the lime green and pink dresses were still there. So black, everyone loves black. And I'm going to change into the last item. I also got a leggings. The leggings, the last item, and I'm super glad I chose size small because I think it's extra small would have been too tight. So yeah, they look really cool. And the problem was I could not try anything on there. I mean, I could have tried something on, but I would have had to leave the designer area to go to the dressing rooms. And also I was running on a schedule because I had to reach my train. I was like, okay, decisions, dress size small, leggings size small, the other dress medium, whatever, yeah. Running to the checkout and paying for everything, and then running to the train station, catching my train luckily, so I'm back home and you will see this video probably in 2 days. And I'm really glad that I made this experience because it was fun, and also chatting with the people in the store, everyone was super friendly. I did not have to fight over anything. I'm a bit sad about the sizing and that stuff was already out of stock after 50 people, because every group was 25 people, so there were 50 people in before me. And yeah, I mean, online I probably would have not gotten anything because I know people who tried, and yeah, it was a total crash online with the homepage. So I hope you enjoyed this video and my presentation of the H&M Mugler collection 2023. Tell me in the comments which piece you liked most, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!